Today we'll make the best Google Docs document formula, okay, with free. Just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, go open Google and go to search Google Forms like this, okay? And go now here to this is the first and click and wait. Okay, this is now the Google Forms. You can use this or this or this, and you can see all this is templates, okay, but now we will choose the best, the better than this, okay. Just go to this is a blank form, this is a personal your form, click, and now here you can do like your private title, okay, here description, here the first question, okay guys, okay. Now here you can put a picture or something like that, maybe like photos, and I can use my photo like this, insert, and you can do like this. This is a photo here, and like click, maybe take one, okay, like this, maybe like this, and you can put here, okay. If you want to add a new selection like this, here this is new, okay, this is a new section, new section 2, okay, description, and you will be need a question here, what's the better example, only example guys, okay, and the 1 and 2 here, okay, this is will be it's obligatory, okay. So now maybe like this, and here now go to this the copy ribbon and like this, and we will now test it, publish and publish like this, and we will test it, okay, like this, go here and we'll be testing like this. Here now this is a first section, will be put now here and click here and like next. This is a second, choose the better, and like this, okay. Now we'll buy here, now we have now a first option, like this is a choosing the better than one and do this, so this is choose one, okay guys. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.